first Sunday vlog.
All the glory, sing all the glory of your presence, of your presence.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. We're supposed to be at church today, but the car is not working. And hubby's at work. And where we are in Portmore, we have to take like 2 train stations to get to church, so that's not going to happen. So we're live streaming this morning, so I'm just going to brush my teeth, get breakfast ready for me and mommy and baby girl, and stream online. I have some clothes to fold up, unbox some package. I want to run off the work clothes pressing for this week. And then I'm going to take out all the meats that's going to cook because I'm going to meal prep for this week. And pretty much that's the plan. Those are the major plans we have for this Sunday. So welcome to my first Sunday vlog. I'm trying out these contents, and these contents are stuff that I would do already, so it wouldn't be something that I have to go out my way to get done, if you feel me. This is just like a typical day in my life, and not every Sunday is gonna look the same, not every vlog is gonna look the same, because things are not done on a schedule or a set routine. Like, you just know that food, cooking, washing, babe, like some days it's just all over the place. I want to get stuff done early because I'm trying to cut out that 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock going to bed, finishing housework. Like, one thing I've realized in my adulthood work is that housework just never get done. Like, is this the adulthood that we were craving so hard for in our teenage years? Yeah, we're going to run, get married, a baby, and move out with man, and life just a life from there. Because when we were at home with our parents, we were just responsible to go to school and take in our education and come back home and watch 2 little plays, and that's it. We're a whole wife. We're a whole mother. We're all adults spending our own money. But this is how my hair looking. Of course, I'm struggling with hair loss, and of course, every single chance my baby girl, Brian on her school get, she's gonna make my hair a living hell. Like, I kid you not. She's gonna pluck and pull. I don't know why she find it entertaining, but she does. Today I want to straighten my hair, because since I washed it, I really didn't do too much to it. I didn't even get a chance to do that. Watch the routine, the vlog that I did, that weekend vlog. I did my hair in the night, washed my hair, do a whole self-care video, and truth be told, I didn't get a chance to like record it because it was like 1 o'clock in the morning. I was like, I'm gonna lock in for my me time. Just never happened, so I'm just gonna catch it up a little low. This is how it's looking. Yeah, so brush my teeth and then start. As you said, the aim is to finish early. We're done. Clothes that we need to fold and sort out for today. As well, we need to fold and sort and press from. As well, Munchkin grandma sent this one, so we need to unbox these and pack away some of the stuff. So this bread is like top notch This bread is so fresh, soft, and nice that when you make it with egg sandwich, you need to get one of these, like, secure the bag. And then I'm gonna make some oats porridge. Let's see what else is in it. I'm gonna make oats porridge. I wanted to try this one. I always see Lynch making this one, so I want to try this one this morning. Some ketchup. Baby girl, share I'm just gonna scrape this in. Get her egg started out. I try have a sleek broke egg. Just know that something is gonna fall in it. It's so annoying. And then when you try to bite down in the sandwich, you just have that little hard shell in it. Like, I'm gonna take some jerk season. And take some black pepper. And we're gonna take some garlic. And then some cilantro. I love these. Love seeing these on my eggs. I don't know. This one is finishing. I need to take down the next one. Scramble. We're gonna whisk the egg to incorporate everybody together. And yeah. Alright, may I come with the porridge?
We're going to worship God with our giving. Father, what we are going to surrender is our money to God. He's been faithful in giving to Almighty God.
Nice. Nice, Mama. Maybe they're drinking up our porridge. God, I five. I five for God. I five. Hey, good girl. I five. I five. Yeah, it's okay. And so much scripture said, God, give me an excellent spirit, God. God, take me back to the place where only you, of God, and allow and sing on to spirit, God, and I become a little disturbed because God is saying, so you one thing, it's church time. Stone left from the Lord. Sing, tell grandma to sing. Say, my help from the Lord. Say, my help, my. Blessed be the name of the Lord. So we lift up holy hands in one accord with your praise.
Give to her to ball out. If I ball out and say, Lord, have mercy upon me. Then he didn't stop Daniel.
Strength like no
But
other.
instead what he did was present himself with that.
Strength like
Don't
no
worry, for I'll never leave you. I'll
other.
never forsake you.
Reaches
I'm going through this with you.
me.
And I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna turn it around.
Fullness of your grace, and in the power of your name, you lift me up. You lift me up. The guys, I bought $300 for this coconut, and mommy just chop it for me. What do you see? Sweet.
I'm sitting outside enjoying my jelly from the jelly lady right off my gate. Big her up on YouTube.
One truck lady.
I don't even know her name.
You see now?
Go say, oh, one of my customers put me on mute.
I have 1,000,001 things to do. Alright, now drink my coconut water. And I want to take a nap. I want to take a nap so bad. Leave picture alone. Guys, I don't know how to put a coconut. But I definitely know how to drink the water, eat out meat.
Punchy girl, this is how you cut the coconut.
What's your hand?
There, and
Yay! What's your gun? That's so pretty. Can you carry a spoon for me, mother? Coconut knife. That's so good.
Hi, daughter.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, blabber.
What are you doing?
I'm washing.
What are you washing?
Washing my granddaughter's clothes.
Okay. Get this big coconut from the truck lady, because there's this lady that will always buy market stuff on Sundays. So we get this with $200. It's wheat, as y'all see in the clip. This one is from mommy. We get some cinnamon leaves for porridge. Got some bananas. These are so pretty. I haven't seen good bananas like this in a long while. So we got pacho. We got a salad. Nice and pretty. It's $3.50 for a pound of salad. This is our phone. Pineapple. I only bought 3 because for some reason they look like they're not even right. Fully right. So I got 3. I got pound of Irish. Irish is what, $3.50, just like Spanish Town Market last week. So pound Irish, yeah. And forgot pound onions. So what we have in the sink, we have some chicken. I think this is leg and thigh. We have some leg and thigh as well, and we have some turkey neck, and we have some pigtails. So we're going to batch season up and start dinner. We purchased these chicken in Spanish Town, and I'm telling you, I'm having I'm feeling some type of way because like all these chicken legs are so big. It's giving turkey meat. I don't like turkey. It kind of, to me, just have that dry taste to it. But they still have ice in it, but that's okay. We'll work with it. So that's what, 3 thigh, 2 legs so far. And then we have a next set of legs. So this is gonna be meal prep. And then we have a next piece of thigh. And then the next thigh and next leg. I might go for the small air fryer, but let me see if they can hold in the air fryer. Nice pigtail. And water. And one soak off in there. Looking in the first half an hour, it's not bad, but it's not coming up. But trust me, they look good. They look good. So just gonna turn them so that those that already catch the color, those at the bottom, can get their color too. To use the color. May I put it on the pressure pot? Say yay! You like it? Pretty! You want your book? Okay, here you go. Froggy, Hippo, and Caterpillar. These are all the bundles that we get so far. We have to go wash them out. And we still have a lot of stuff. So thanks to Munchkin Auntie and Grandma. 2 aunties actually, and grandma and her cousin as well. These are pretty. Baby girl get baths. Hey mama, look there. And get pretty dress for church. Pretty. White. Let's give me a white pigtail now.
Very good.
Now from Oka. So I just you alone now forget the real crux. And we're outside on the tour. Eh? So we come to an end of our first Sunday vloggy. If you find this vlog interesting and fun, remember to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't gotten a chance to, and comment down below and let me know any video suggestion that you want. I'm trying out this meal plan and so far it's tiresome, but the reward is great. If you make it down to this far end of the video, comment hashtag Chef Shantana. Until next time, bye.